This is Living in Del Mar Terrace. I'm Dusty Brazil, your local realtor with Pacific Sotheby's International Realty. Come with me and explore Living in Del Mar Terrace, a very unique beachside community in South Del Mar. Down here in the Del Mar Terrace neighborhood, architecturally significant homes with ocean views overlooking the lagoon and basically southern views to La Jolla. All these homes in Del Mar Terrace are extremely different, contemporary, large homes with massive windows, captivating on the views. Del Mar Terrace is built around a very scenic, natural-like setting with huge Torrey Pines trees. So check out the website I have coming right now, making it today, called livingindelmarterrace.com. You can search all Del Mar Terrace homes for sale. There's even some condo developments inside Del Mar Terrace, such as like Sea Point. Most of the homes in Del Mar Terrace have large windows and are architecturally significant homes, custom build homes by renowned builders. That would be a couple things to take away with when you're looking for a particular type of home in Del Mar. Del Mar Terrace offers extraordinary architecture, very unique builds, and very special looking homes. This home here, look at that front door. It's like 12-foot tall door. They have a spiral staircase up to a rooftop deck. These guys here have this really cool wood-looking house below this really big Torrey Pines tree. Beautiful ocean view deck they've built here. I'm launching a website today called Living in Del Mar Terrace. Check it out. You can search all Del Mar Terrace homes for sale and see what just sold in Del Mar Terrace, even find out what your home is worth. Just a couple clicks. I'm Dusty with Pacific Sotheby's International Realty. Almost getting run over here. Beautiful day here living in North County. It would be pretty cool to live in Del Mar Terrace. Obviously the homes are amazing, and I would say the detached homes, architecturally significant homes, are going to probably range, especially the ones that have been, completely redone, probably the $5 to $10 million range. You might find a piece of land worth $2 to $3 million, maybe a tear down, or a small little tiny fixer-upper home. Amazing looking home right there. It's called custom build. Brand new. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at the neighbor's house here. Very Del Mar looking. Breathtaking. Anyways, hope you enjoyed my quick little video, mainly shot with my iPhone today, about living in Del Mar Terrace. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions beyond what's on my website. Be sure to sign up my website for Del Mar Terrace new listings. As of this video, there's no single-family homes on the market. So if you sign up and opt in when one pops up, you'll be notified. If you have any questions about anything else in North County, San Diego, or Del Mar, I'd love to help out. I'm Dusty with Pacific Sotheby's. Make it a great day.